So today what we are going to learn? We are going to learn about the divisibility test of 10 and 15. And I think that most of you know that the divisibility test of 10, it is very easy. If any number has 0 at its last place, ones place, that number is divisible by 10. For example, you can see in the table of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. All the numbers are having 0 at their ones place. So, if any number, if it is two digit number, 3 digit number, 4 digit number, 5 digit number, or whatever place the number has, if the last place is 0, ones place is 0, that number is automatically divisible by 10. Okay, then numbers like 10 or 30 or 300 or 430 or 5350 or whatever, if the ones place is 0, that number is divisible by 10. So, if the ones place digit in a number is 0, the number is divisible by 10. Now we will do the divisibility test for 15. Okay, and 15 test is very easy and you will like it as a fun. Okay, all of you know the test for 3, divisibility test for 3. All of you know what is it? The test for 3 is that the number that is given, all the digits are added together, and the number that we get as addition, if that number is divisible by 3, the whole number is divisible by 3. And the divisibility test for 5, do you know that? The divisibility test for 5 is that if any number has 0 or 5 at the ones place, then that number is divisible by 5. Now take into account these two things, 3 and 5. While you are finding out the divisibility test for 15, you should keep in mind that the number should be divisible by both 3 and 5. The test is very much similar to that of 6. Can you remember the divisibility test for 6? The divisibility test for 6 was that if any number is divisible by both 2 and 3, the number is automatically divisible by 6. Similarly, in the case of 15, if any number is divisible by 3 and 5, both, that is divisible by 15 automatically. You can take an example. For example, that if you and your brother, your elder brother or your younger brother or your younger sister or elder sister, both of you can defeat a person. You have a fight and you defeat that person, automatically your father can also defeat that person. Your father is much stronger than you. Similarly, if any number is divisible by both 3 and 5, that number is automatically divisible by 15. Take some examples. Okay. For example, we have a number 3340 6, 4, 10, 5, 50. Okay. This is the number 3345. This number is divisible by 3 or not. We will find it and then we will find out this is divisible by 5 or not. That both things we will find out. By 3, check it out. Add 3 plus 4 plus 5. How much it is? 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. And 15 is coming in the table of 3. 3 5s is 15. Therefore, this is divisible by 3. Yes? And then check for 5. See, what is the test for 5? We have to check the last ones place number. Ones place number is 5. And the test for 5 was that the number should have 5 or 0 at the ones place number. Here is 5. So, this number is also divisible by 5. Divisible by 3 also, divisible by 5 also. Therefore, this number is automatically divisible by 15. We can have a check. See, divide 3345 by 15. See what you get. 15 twos are 30, 3, 4, 15 twos are 30 and 15 threes are 45. So what we have got? We have got the remainder 0 and a proper quotient. So this number is divisible by 15. So we had not to take this division, and by simply finding out these two things, the ones place number and checking the addition of the digits, we can find out this number is divisible by 15 or not. We need not do the divide, and only by doing this we can find it out easily. Okay. Now see, we have two more numbers. For making all the things perfect, that we know all the things, we should have some more examples. So here are two more examples. See whether these numbers are divisible by 15 or not. See, 648, we will first check for 3. Checking for 3, what we will do? We will add the digits. 6 plus 4 plus 8. How much it is? It is 18. This means 3 6 is 18. 18 is divisible by 3. Therefore, this whole number is divisible by 3. It is divisible by 3. Now, for checking 15, we have to check for 5 also. Check for 5. 5. What is the test for 5? The ones place digit should be 5 or 0. Here the ones place digit is not either 5 or 0. It is 8. So this number is not divisible by 5. Now see, according to this divisibility test of 15, if the number is divisible by 3 only and not 5, it is not divisible by 15. And we can have a check. Divide 648 by 15 and find out whether the test is right or wrong. See, 15 fours is 60 and 15 threes is 45. So what we are getting? We are getting a remainder, and therefore this number is not divisible by 15. Therefore we can say that this number is not divisible by 15. Understood? Similarly, we can check for this number also. See, check for first 3, then 5. What is the check for 3? Add the digits. 2 plus 3 plus 0 plus 5. How much it is? 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. And 10 is not divisible by 3. 3 3s is 9 and 3 4s is 12. So this number is not divisible by 3. As 10 is not divisible, so the whole number is not divisible. Similarly, 5. Check for 5 now. What is the test for 5? The ones place digit should be 5 or 0. See what it is? It is 5. So this number is divisible by 5. Yes. Now one number 5 divides it and 3 does not divide it. So logically, by the divisibility rule, this number should not be divisible by 15. See, 2, 3, 0, 5. You divide it by 15. What do you get? 15 ones are 15. 13 minus 5 is 8. And it is 0. 0 comes down. 15 5s are 75. 5 comes down. 15 3s are 45. So we have remainder 10. Yes, na? So we found out that for a number being divisible by 15, the number should be divisible by both 3 and 15. And there are some such numbers also which are neither divisible by 3 nor by 15. Such numbers also are not divisible by 15. See one more example. Okay, what is it? 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 7, 17, and the last place number is what? Neither 5 nor 0. So this number is neither divisible by 3 nor 5. So it is also not divisible by 15. Similarly, you can check all the numbers that are coming to you and you can find it out very easily that whether a number is divisible by 15 or not. If any number is divisible by both 3 and 5, it is divisible by 15.